Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll show you the pencil holder with crochet. So you can see what a beautiful these pencil holders are, and the flowers over it. Welcome to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Let's begin. I am starting with the magic ring. I'll make this magic ring using double crochet. Yes, I'll make the whole project with double crochet. So I'll make the magic ring with 6 double crochet stitches in this way. Yarn over, pull from inside, pull the yarn from the two and the from next to in this way. Pull the yarn and join the ends to make a ring. So after forming the ring, I'll be using the double crochet in the second round as well, considering the first round of ring. So the second round will be on the same pattern. Without increasing or decreasing the stitches, I will be using double crochet, same stitches, 6 stitches. So it will turn automatically upwards and will form the holder. After 4 rounds, you will see this type of holder. Now I'll make petals over it. 2 chains, 1 double crochet this way, yarn over from the same stitch, double crochet, and again yarn over, double crochet. Now in the next stitch, slip stitch. So now in the next I will be doing single crochet. Now again double crochet, means 1 single crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 slip stitch. I'll be following the same pattern for all petals. In the end, we will reach at the point to fix the thread. See, I have done my project. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Flower, pencil holder. Okay, so now you can see I'm fixing flower on it. I have uploaded the video how to make the crochet simple flowers. These flowers, so you can watch that video on my channel. So you can see what a beautiful pencil holders are with flowers. Please be sure to like the video.